There are many books that have been adapted to stellar films in Bollywood, from real life events to literary masterpieces. Almost every genre or theme has been adapted on the big screen. Discussing the best of the best, here is Tried and Refused Productions with Top 10 Best Book to Film Bollywood Adaptations. Number 10 goes to Lutera. Based on the 1907 short story The Last Leaf by O. Henry, Lutera was directed by Vikramaditya Motwane and starred Ranveer Singh and Sonakshi Sinha in lead role.
वरुण श्रीवास्तव
जी
पीछे मत देखना। जिस गाड़ी से आपकी टक्कर हुई उसे चलाने वाले का नाम बाबू सिंह था।
From an extremely organic romance to deceit and lies, and finally a battle with one's own demons and flaws, to keep hope and faith, are many of the facets the movie focused on, recreating the novel in a completely unique setting and depicting the main theme of the novel with such clarity and beauty. Lutera was definitely a fine piece of art. Number 9 goes to Kai Po Che. Based on the novel Three Mistakes of My Life by Chetan Bhagat, Kai Po Che stars Sushant Singh Rajput, Amit Saad, and Rajkumar Rao in lead roles. Was a very impressive film. Directed by Abhishek Kapoor, the movie taught the masses, like the novel, many things. It showcased loyalty, taught us about learning from our mistakes. It showed us not to fear and taking risks, and also have clarity that anything can happen in the future.
नालायक बहन पे हाथ उठाता है, दुनिया के सामने खड़े रहने की औकात नहीं रही तो घर के लोगों पर रुआब जमाता है।
Kai Po Che, that evidently starred all new faces, was definitely a gem of a movie. Number 8 goes to Guide. Based on the novel The Guide by R.K. Narayan, the movie starring Dev Anand and Wahida Rahman was one legendary film people talk about even today. Directed by Vijay Anand, the movie is considered to be one of the best films in Bollywood history, and deservedly so.
नाम तेरा, उसका नाम ले और जो सौंपा गया है उस काम को करता रहे, मेरी तरह, एक पत्थर की तरह।
From one of their best performances of their illustrious careers to a story that took us along Raju and Rosie's journey that we all empathized with, every aspect of the film gave justice to the memorable book. Number 7 goes to Pinjar. Based on the Punjabi novel written by Amrita Preetham, Pinjar is a movie directed by Chandra Prakash Dwivedi and stars Manoj Bajpayee and Urmila Matondkar in lead roles. The movie is based on the Hindu-Muslim problems during the time of partition of India. What really works for this underrated film are the performances by the ensemble cast.
मैं तुम्हारी आगे दुनिया की सारी नेमतें लाला के रखूंगा। मैं तुम्हारे ताऊ की तरह नहीं जो 3 रातों के बाद बेचारी औरत को धक्का दे दूं।
From marital issues to topics like caste and religion, at the time where India was in a very vulnerable state, Pinjar captures the emotional, raw, and tough times perfectly on screen. Number 6 goes to Parinita, The Married Woman. Based on the 1914 novel by Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay called Parinita, the movie directed by Pradeep Sarkar and starring Saif Ali Khan, Sanjay Dutt in lead roles, with Vidya Balan's powerful debut role, was an extremely gripping and engaging film.
ताश में शर्त हार गई थी ना, मान ही नहीं रहे थे।
हम सब कौन?
हम सब माने मैं, कोयल, चारू, गिरीश, सुनीता, भाभी।
गिरीश कौन है?
A friendship that blossoms into love, and what follows is a string of roadblocks and emotional whirlwinds and equations. From the cinematically brilliant depiction to the powerful performances, everything worked in the movie to showcase what was perfect about the novel. Number 5 goes to Black Friday. Based on the book by Hussain Zaidi called Black Friday, The True Story of the Bombay Blast, Anurag Kashyap made this 2007 masterpiece and didn't disappoint anyone, depicting the horrifying event that is still vividly remembered by everyone, to understanding the core reason of an individual's life choices and the trajectory they follow.
एक बात बोली,
बोल।
ये हिंदुओं के लीडर को हम ठोक डालेंगे तो उससे हमारा कोई फायदा होने वाला नहीं है।
Black Friday was an ugly, real, and intense film that definitely went leaps and bounds further to showcase the theme and style of the novel. Number 4 goes to The Blue Umbrella. Based on the 1980 novel written by Ruskin Bond, The Blue Umbrella is a hidden and highly underrated gem people never spoke about. Directed by Vishal Bhardwaj, the movie depicts one of the most genuine, simple, and heartfelt stories in the most earnest and beautiful way possible.
अभी तुम दूरबीन तो वापस दे दो।
अभी दूरबीन तो वापस देता, पहले नोटा फिर लौट पोटा।
Vishal Bhardwaj's direction can never be doubted. Pankaj Kapoor and Shreya Sharma in lead roles just keep you fully engaged, and this kind of cinema we need on a regular. No question about that. Number 3 goes to Three Idiots. What has to go down as one of the best adaptations of a book has to go to 5 Point Someone by Chetan Bhagat, which was adapted and recreated by Rajkumar Hirani in Three Idiots, a movie that perfectly captured the theme and feel of the book, and not only that but made it 10 times better. With iconic characters, perfect story depiction, and a premise that the Indian audience connected with, Three Idiots hands down is one of the most heartfelt and hilarious films. Number 2 goes to Devdas. Based on the 1917 novel by Sharad Chandra Chattopadhyay called Devdas, this is the third Hindi version and the first film version of the story in Hindi done in color. The movie starred Aishwarya Rai, Madhuri Dixit and Shah Rukh Khan in lead roles.
बाबूजी ने कहा गांव छोड़ दो, सबने कहा पारों को छोड़ दो, पारों ने कहा शराब छोड़ दो, आज तुमने कह दिया हवेली छोड़ दो, एक दिन आएगा जब वो कहेगा दुनिया ही छोड़ दो.
The movie was iconic in every respect, from its grand set design to its impeccable music, and finally and most importantly, its highly impressive portrayal of characters. Sanjay Leela Bansali perfectly captured the obsession, melancholy, and despair of Devdas. Before we discuss the number 1 position, here are some honorable mentions.
तुम्हें तनख्वाह मैं दूंगी, मालूम तुम्हें कितनी? 250 रुपए. इस गांव में एक दिन रहकर तुम्हें मालूम हो जाएगा कि 250 कितनी बड़ी रकम है. अगर खर्च करना भी चाहो तो नहीं होगा.
गर्म खून है मेरी रगों. इस हवेली के मर्दों की सेवा करना हमारी बहुओं के बस का रोग नहीं.
आपका प्रायश्चित है या प्रतिशोध?
अच्छा अमीरन, अगर उस दिन वो लोग तुम्हें मेरी जगह ले जाते तो तुम्हें मिलता वो कोठा.
शतरंज का एक अहम उसूल है जो कभी तोड़ा नहीं जाता. कौन सा उसूल? जिस मोहरे को हाथ लगा लिया उसी का चलना लाजमी.
And number 1 goes to Vishal Bhardwaj's Shakespeare adaptations. If there is one man that really knows how to depict Shakespeare in the context of an Indian audience, that is Vishal Bhardwaj. How someone can totally recreate the complexity and eccentric nature of Shakespeare's writings in an Indian setting with characters and a premise that the masses connect to and are relevant is a sign of pure talent and wizardry. Be it Macbeth to Maqbool, Othello to Omkara.
तेरी तो शादी होनी नहीं. हाँ, नहीं होनी. तेरी दुल्हन को आधा बामन ढक के ले जा रही है.
Or Hamlet to Heather.
तू दुआ में था इसलिए नहीं मारा तुझे. मार देता तो तुझ जैसे सुअर को भी जन्नत मिल जाती.
All these movies have left us iconic characters, scenes that will still give us goosebumps, and movies that will be remembered for the sheer masterpiece that they are. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Write down the video idea with your Instagram handle so that I can give you guys a shout out. Also, please support my personal Instagram page. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. And please subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching.